All right, guys. So I was just doing some video editing a couple of minutes ago, and it crashed. So I'm starting everything once again. But I thought I would take a moment to show you a trade that I took recent. Well, the trade I talked about yesterday on USD CAD. So if you guys haven't seen the video, I'll put the link either below or just click somewhere in the video. You're gonna see the previous video about this. But what's happening is that we've had some big moves recently on USD CAD, and I'll show you a little bit more. So this trade was multi-time frame. And if you guys want to see the whole idea behind the trade, why I entered it and everything, it's all going to be detailed on yesterday's video. So check it out for sure. But now, uh, I was looking at like the 1 hour chart. This is where I entered the trade. Okay, about right there. Okay, so this level. So 134 basically, a little bit before. So right now we had a big move this morning. And what I want to highlight here is that whenever you're going to take trades like this on multi-time frame, it's really important for you to lock in some profit because those trades can be really not reliable so much. Okay, because you're trading multi-time frame, a time frame on a 5-minute chart or the 6-minute chart is not as reliable as a signal on a daily chart. You want to make sure to lock in some profit before uh, waiting for the whole target. And I think I believe it's Mark Douglas who said in his book Trading in the Zone, he said you have to take profit when the market is giving it to you, right? Because the market is random. So there's no way for you to just put trades in the market and expect to get like a huge reward to risk. Simply like that. No. So you have to take profit partially. And that's why whenever I reached 1-to-1, and actually I couldn't do it because I was doing something else. But when we reach something like 1.2-to-1 of reward to risk, I exited half the trade. Okay, so half the trade is gone now. So I only have one half left. But the thing is that the reward to risk is really good still. So 4.12. And now I'm breaking even on the trade. So by taking profit at 1-to-1 or close to that, I didn't move the stop loss at that time because I didn't want to push the trade too much. Okay, I felt like the trade needed some room to go. So I left the stop loss there. This morning I moved the stop loss a little bit higher. So now stop loss at break even. So that's basically the reasoning behind this. And you have to be willing to take some profit partially because those trades might have a probability of winning of like 50 or 60% sometimes when they're taken right. But that's why I take always some partial profit first and always make sure that I at least break even. Now I'm good to leave the trade go as far as possible. And this target, by the way, is not super ambitious. Why? Because it's taken on a daily chart. Right, so on the daily chart, that doesn't look like much. That only looks like going back to the top. And we're expecting, as we talked about, a move pretty much higher, near the 1.4. Okay, 1.40. So that's a big difference here. So if you guys have any question on this trade, let me know. But I just wanted to do a quick video, and I'm still waiting for this stupid program to load because it crashed a couple of minutes ago. I was doing some video editing. So I'll try to see how that's going to work. And I'll just check the chat. If you guys have any question? No? Sounds good. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you pretty soon.